How to add IC to Touch and Go e-wallet. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add IC to Touch and Go e-wallet. Open Touch and Go app and tap on the tool icon from the home page. Select the TNG card option. Tap on Add a new card. From the slider, choose the card you want to add. Enter the 10-digit serial number of your card and tap Submit. Next, enter a 6-digit PIN for security and you're all set. Remember, once you've added your TNG card, the Pay Direct feature will be automatically activated. This means your toll transactions will be deducted from your Touch and Go e-wallet if you have sufficient balance when passing any supported Pay Direct toll plaza. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.